If you're trying to lose weight, then watch the following video. It helped me, so why wouldn't it help you?
In this Keto Fit review, I'll be giving you both the pros and cons to using this super popular keto weight loss supplement so you can find out whether it's right for you or not. Now please make sure that you watch this video from start to finish, because at the end of the video, if you still want to get Keto Fit, I'll show you where to get it for the absolute cheapest price. Okay, let's check out the pros of this product. Rapid fat loss. By far, the quickest and most effective method to get slim is to get your body to make the switch from burning sugar and carbohydrates for energy to instead using stubborn body fat. When your body makes the switch into this turbocharged fat-burning state, it's what's called being in ketosis. The ingredient that is responsible for this effect is called beta-hydroxybutyrate, or BHB for short. Keto Fit has the correct dose of BHB to kick your body into ketosis so that you can burn fat at an accelerated rate. Strong appetite suppressant. If you constantly find yourself thinking of food and having strong cravings, then you're probably going to find yourself in a fridge or pantry throughout the day. This is obviously not a good thing. Luckily, Keto Fit also happens to be a very strong appetite suppressant. So even if you think you have a raging appetite, you may find this formula greatly reduces or even completely eliminates your hunger. Super quick results. The majority of people, on a daily basis, year after year, have been primarily using carbohydrates and sugars as their energy source. Keto Fit can quickly change your body so it goes from a sugar burner to a fat burner, but it can take anywhere from 1 to 7 days for your body to make this shift. And when it does, stored stubborn body fat will rapidly disappear. Okay, let's check out the cons of this product. A keto diet is a must. You're kidding yourself if you take this supplement and expect to have amazing results if you continue to eat a highly processed, carb-rich diet. Sure, the appetite suppressing effects will occur no matter what diet you follow, but if you want to see the quickest and most powerful results, then I highly recommend you follow a keto diet. To do this, you'll need to lower your carbs, increase healthy fats, and have a moderate level of protein. Overall, Keto Fit is currently one of the most powerful fat loss formulas on the market.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link below in order to find out more.